New Apple News Service. Announcement probability, 100%. The second major new Apple presentation March 25th will definitely be a news service with a paid subscription. This novelty is much less interesting. And the reason is not the need to pay money for reading the news. By subscription, not only newspapers, but also the best magazines will be available, which will save a lot. Apple presentation March 25th, 2019, AirPods 2, iPad mini 5, iPad 2019, live broadcast. The reason for the weak interest in the news service is that it will most likely not work in many countries. The news application, which has been available in some foreign countries for years, has not reached many users. Given that Apple's news service will be built on the news application, this new product